Namaste, welcome to shailaji.com. I'm Shaila Vasunath and today I'll be doing a special video. When I say special video, you'll be wondering what it could be. We all are teachers and which day we would be celebrating which day we would think is special for us. Yeah, it is nothing but the birth anniversary of Veda Vyasa, which we celebrate as Guru Purnima. So this function, I wanted to show it to you how we did in our school. So that was a special moment even during this pandemic. We do it on 2 days. One we do it for the KG children and another one we do it for the senior children. So when we do it for the KG children, we actually start with making our senior teachers as the guru, the chief guest, and the KG children, the tiny tots, they get the blessings from them, and it is and all the parents, they be as audience and they witness this show. So this is how we do it. But during this pandemic, we had no other option but to go online, and we did this with our children in a different way. You'll be wondering how we were able to do it without the teachers. Yes, who's the first teacher for a child? It is none other than the mother. So we know the saying Mata, Pita, Guru, Deva. So we know this. We know the order in which it comes. So when we say Mata, so she is the first guru for any child. The mother who gives birth to the child, she is the first guru. She teaches the child how to identify a person whom, she leads to identify each and every one. For instance, Mata, then the Pita, so the father. She shows who the father is, and mother and father, they show who the guru is. So they take the child to the school and they show this is your teacher. So the child starts respecting the teacher, the child starts identifying the teacher, and the child loves the teacher. So all this happens, why? Because the mother is guiding. So now we thought, who else could be the best teacher in this pandemic? So at home, the children, they showered the flowers at the feet of their parents and they got the blessings from them, Mata and Pita. So they considered them to be the guru. Always they are the first guru, followed by the teacher who's in school. So this we did it, and you would witness this show online, a few glimpses. Meantime, you would see our teachers who are telling the importance of this Guru Purnima. We celebrate it as Guru Vandana for the tiny tots. So that Guru Vandana, how it is being celebrated, on what occasion we celebrate this, they tell us in different languages. So please watch it, them telling in different languages.
Om Namaste, Shri Ram Ram, Rameti, Rame Rame, Anurame, Sasa Ram, Tattuyam, Ramanama, Varanane, Shri Ram Ram, Rameti, Rame Rame, Anurame, Sasa Nam, Tattuyam, Ramanama, Varanane, O Shri Ram Ram, Rameti, Rame Rame, Anurame, Sasa Nam, Tattuyam, Ramanama, Varanane. Thank you,
parents, and to my dear children. We are celebrating Guru Vandana online. I'd like to share with you one thing, my dear children. We miss you a lot. Children, who is Guru? The Guru, one who teaches knowledge to you, isn't it? A mother will teach you what is good, but the teacher will teach you what is good and what is bad, children. Okay? Now, why I'm standing here, my dear children, this is the place we used to celebrate our Guru Vandana. You will be in the classroom. It will take you to the corridor, and you will be walking through the corridor and you will reach this dais. Our senior teachers will be seated on the dais. Our children, you will be getting a blessings from your senior teachers, and you will move on to the classes. So we miss you a lot, my dear children. Happy Guru Vandana. Thank you.
नमस्ते बच्चों, आप सब कैसे हैं? आज हमारे विद्यालय में गुरु वंदना मनाया जा रहा है। अब मैं आपके सामने गुरु के बारे में कुछ कहना चाहती हूँ। गुरु 2 अक्षर का ऐसा शब्द है जिसमें सारा संसार समाया हुआ है। गुरु के बिना जीवन अधूरा ही रहता है। गुरु समान दाता नहीं, याचक शीश समान, 3 लोक की संपदा, सो गुरु दिन ही दान। इस शुभ अवसर पर मैं सब विद्यार्थियों को हार्दिक शुभकामना देती हूँ। आप सब विद्यार्थियों अपने जीवन में आगे बढ़ते रहे, यही हमारी आशीर्वाद है। ധന്യവാദ്.
നമസ്തേ. ഇന്ന് ഗുരുവന്ദന. എല്ലാവർക്കും ഗുരുവന്ദനയിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. ഭാരത സംസ്കാരത്തിൻ്റെ ആധാരശിലകളായ വേദങ്ങളും ഉപനിഷത്തുക്കളും പുരാണങ്ങളും ഇതിഹാസങ്ങളും ഗുരുവിന് മഹത്വപൂർണ്ണമായ ഒരു സ്ഥാനമാണ് കൽപ്പിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത്. ഹിന്ദി സാഹിത്യത്തിലെ പ്രാചീന കവിയായ കബീർദാസ് ജന്മന അന്ധനായിരുന്നു. അദ്ദേഹം തൻ്റെ ഒരു ദോഹയിൽ ഇങ്ങനെ വിവരിക്കുന്നുണ്ട്: ഗുരുവും ഈശ്വരനും ഒരേ സമയം തൻ്റെ മുന്നിൽ വരികയാണെങ്കിൽ താൻ ആദ്യം ആ ഗുരുവിൻ്റെ പാദങ്ങളിലായിരിക്കും നമസ്കരിക്കുക. കാരണം ആ ഗുരുവാണ് എനിക്ക് ഈശ്വരനിലേക്കുള്ള വഴി കാണിച്ചു തന്നത്. ഇങ്ങനെ ഗുരുവിൻ്റെ മഹത്വത്തെപ്പറ്റി പറയാൻ നമുക്ക് ഒട്ടേറെ കാര്യങ്ങളുണ്ട്. അജ്ഞതയാകുന്ന അന്ധകാരത്തെ ജ്ഞാനമാകുന്ന വെളിച്ചത്താൽ നീക്കുന്ന ഒരു പ്രകാശ സ്രോതസ്സാണ് ഗുരു. അങ്ങനെയുള്ള ഗുരുവിൻ്റെ മുന്നിൽ നമുക്ക് സമസ്തവും സമർപ്പിക്കാം. ഒരിക്കൽ കൂടി എല്ലാവർക്കും ഗുരുവന്ദനയിലേക്ക് హార్దవമായ స్వాగతం.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. ఈరోజు మన పాఠశాలలో గురువందన కార్యక్రమం నిర్వహించబోతున్నాం. ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో పాల్గొంటున్న ప్రధానోపాధ్యాయుల వారికి, నా సహోపాధ్యాయులకు, తల్లిదండ్రులకు ఇదే నా ఆహ్వానం. మునుపు ఈ గురువందన కార్యక్రమం మన పాఠశాలలోనే విద్యార్థులంతా వారి వారి గురువులకు నమస్కరించి వారి ఆశీర్వాదం పొంది ఈ కార్యక్రమాన్ని ఎంతో ఘనంగా నిర్వహించుకునేవాళ్ళు. కానీ ఇప్పుడున్న పరిస్థితుల కారణంగా ఈ కార్యక్రమాన్ని ఆన్లైన్లో నిర్వహించాల్సి వస్తున్నది. అయినా సహోపాధ్యాయులు, తల్లిదండ్రులు, విద్యార్థుల సహకారంతో ఈ సంవత్సరం కూడా ఈ కార్యక్రమాన్ని అదే విధంగా విజయవంతంగా నిర్వహించుకోగలమని ఆశిస్తున్నాను. విద్యార్థులందరికీ ఉపాధ్యాయుల తరపున ఆశీస్సులు. అందరికీ ధన్యవాదాలు.
You would have watched the prayer by the child, you would have watched the different versions of our teachers in different languages, and then you would have watched the online glimpses of this function. Now let us go to Guru Purnima. Now this is a program where we would invite chief guests, and this year we had done it with the chief guest, and it would be a wonderful one. The chief guest would be an educationalist who's been retired and quite aged, because we all take the blessings from them. So she was a retired principal, and she was the guest this particular Guru Purnima, and starting with me as a principal of the school, I had to bow myself to her, get her blessings, followed by my teachers, my non-teaching staff, my sub-staff, and my wonderful students. So all of them bowed and got the blessings from the Guru, that is the chief guest. So this is the special function which we do. We start our year with this Guru Purnima, and we were all blessed on that day. So we thank the God, the Almighty, for giving us this opportunity to do such kind of programs where our children will learn the moral values, they will learn the culture. And you know very well, nowadays all this culture and the good things are lost, but to regain all that we need to do such kind of functions. Please do watch this. I hope you like my program, all my clippings and the video, all that you would have liked it. This is how we do in our school, and I wanted to share it with all my viewers, the function which we had done recently, and I feel so proud to be a teacher and get the blessings of Guru, and our students, our tiny tots, getting the blessings from their parents. So with this, I would like to end this video, and I hope you all enjoyed this special video on this special occasion. Thank you all. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Click the bell icon so that you get my latest notification. Until then, see you. Namaste.